to tell the few problems that are faced by a chemical company. First point is that monopoly supplier increasing price. As we all know, we only have one supplier that supplies the raw material that are required for our special finished product, and he is in that position of monopoly and is exercising that position to increase the price. Second problem is no alternative supplier available currently. As I said earlier, the supplier is monopoly and no other alternative supplier is available in the market, so that we can't switch to other supplier. Third problem, inventory stuck due to delayed input. As the price are increasing, we are unable to purchase the same amount of quantity that we used to purchase because of high price, because of which our inventory is stuck, as we are unable to convert that raw material into finished goods. Fourth point, unable to fulfill buyer order on time. As I said, we are not able to purchase raw material and we are not able to convert the raw material in finished good, because of which we are not able to complete the order which we received from buyers and the future order that we will receive from buyers. Next point, risk of losing long-term client. The long-term client which we used to have, the buyers which was purchasing from us from last many years, we may lose that client because of not supplying the finished product because of this issue. Pressure on profit margin. As discussed earlier, the monopoly supplier is increasing price, because of which the cost of production will go up, and which will directly affect the revenue of our company and profit of our company. Raw material shortage. There is a shortage of raw material because of increased price. We are not purchasing the same quantity. Debtor money stuck. As I already said, we are unable to fulfill the demand of the buyer and the order. They are not giving us the payment they are not paying us the payment of our order. Now let us discuss some financial impact on our business. Disrupted supply chain operation. As I discussed earlier, we are not able to convert the raw material and finished goods and to supply the finished good to buyer, because of which our supply chain is disrupted. Next point, loss of revenue from unfulfilled order. We are not able to fulfill the order that we receive from buyer, because of which our revenue is decreasing period by period. Increased operational cost. The raw material cost is increasing, because of which our operational cost is increasing. Strain on profit margin. As I said, the cost is increasing, which will directly affect our profit. Inventory holding cost increase. As we are not able to convert the raw material into finished goods, the raw material which are necessary to produce finished goods are stored in our godown, because of which our inventory cost is increasing. Loss of client and future order. As I discussed this point earlier only. Penalty due to delayed delivery. As we are not able to fulfill the order, the buyer are charging us penalty because of this. Liquidity issue due to stuck receivable. Buyers are not providing us the payment, because of which we are facing some liquidity issue. Now financial data will be explained by Mr.